Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another session on Python programming lecture series. This is part 25. In this session, we talk about object detection using a very popular model called as Yolo version 8. Now, for this session, I'll be using Google Colab. You can use any other Python IDE. You can find all the necessary information in this particular link. I will provide this link in the description box. So these are the 5 steps that we are going to follow to perform object detection using a pre-trained Yolo version 8 nano model. Step 1, we need to install Ultralytics package. So this is a AI package and which is not pre-installed in Google Colab. We can install this using a pip command. Once Ultralytics package is installed, we can import Yolo from Ultralytics. We also need matplotlib to display the image. Step 3, we can load the pre-trained YOLO version model, which is a pre-trained model. We need this PyTorch file, Yolo8n.pt, YOLO version 8 nano model, and this is a PyTorch file. Step 4, we can use the YOLO version 8 model to make predictions on a test image. So we need a test image. I'm going to use this dog image, which has 3 objects: dog, bicycle, and a car. So first we need to install Ultralytics package. So we can use a pip command to install this. So in my case, I have already installed. So once you install Ultralytics, then we need to import YOLO from Ultralytics. We also need pyplot and image modules from matplotlib so that we can import from matplotlib library. So once you import the necessary libraries, now it is the time to load the YOLO model. So this is the command that you can use, and this is the name. Model is the name that we give, and we need the file path, and that you can obtain using copy path. Already I have mounted the Google Drive on Google Colab. So you can copy this path and you can paste it here. So this is step 3. So once the model is loaded, now it's a time to make predictions. We need a test image, as I told you. I have this dog.jpg which has 3 objects: dog, bicycle, and car, and I have saved this on Google Drive, and we can copy that path and paste it here. So this is the command model.predict. Model is the name of our model. Dot predict that we can use. Now when you execute this particular command, then a new folder named runs that will be created, and inside this runs folder there is a subfolder called as detect, and inside the detect folder there is another subfolder which is called as a predict, and under this predict folder we have the output image, and this will be the output image which has 3 objects: dog, bicycle, and a car, with a bounding box, label, and a score. So, in this session, we saw how object detection can be easily performed using these 5 steps. And for more details, you can refer to this link. And as I told you, I will provide this link in the description box. Thank you.